keeps me going, man. I try to meditate without smoking weed. Need to find a place alone so I can feel my needs. Need to go to the depths of what I believe. But it's hard when you getting knocked on the knees by the friends that support what you wanna be. It ain't supposed to be like that. Try to listen how we spit, but you haven't even heard a lick of my shit. Whatever, I ain't stressing on him. He got a lot of nerve asking for a free album. I bet this cat got it twisted, acting like I take this shit for granted. Homie, understand this, I'ma keep making music and then evolve with the planet. I'm that serious, and you is that delirious. Try to make me feel bad for my mistakes, but you ain't great, period. Point noted, go ahead and get mad. Just tell your friends, Gav wrote it. There's so much going on in my mind. That's why I get high just to survive. All day, just to survive. Just to survive. There's so much going on in my mind. That's why I get high just to survive. Just to survive. That's what I gotta do, just to survive. And that's exactly what I really need to do. Instead of getting mad or holding grudges on you, boo. I'm such a hothead, but you already know this. I just need to relax and focus on us. But the jealousy gets the best of me. Wanna crack a bottle and the liquid's filled with envy. Damn, there I go again, causing a ruckus. You're tired of the same shit and you don't wanna discuss this. But you will understand, my insecurities is why I lost you, my man. And it wouldn't be the first time. Eventually I gotta draw the line, put the pedal to the metal, we'll let the wheels spin till the tires grind. And it's the same old story, need to grow up, cause this lifestyle's boring. Why hold on when it's too much for me? Man, way too much for me. There's so much going on in my mind. That's why I get high just to survive. All day, just to survive. Just to survive. There's so much going on in my mind. That's why I get high just to survive. Just to survive. That's what I gotta do, just to survive.